Hello everyone, this is all new Renault Duster RXS updated version. I say updated because it comes with alloy wheels. You can see the front end with LED DRLs, projector headlamps, chrome inserts on the front grille and different type of front bumper with glossy grey elements on the bumper. You can see there is no fog lamp on RXS variant, unlike previous generation RXS which had fog lamps and rear wash wiper. This variant has no fog lamp, no rear wash or wiper. Coming to the side, you can see 16-inch alloy wheels on RXS variant. At the time of launch of facelift, Renault introduced RXS without alloy wheels, but they corrected the mistake by adding this alloy wheel to the car. You can see insert the alloy wheel design of top variant. Coming back to this car, you can see wheel arch claddings, which is an accessory. Look at the roof rails, it is painted black. In top variant it is silver, but you do get blackening of the B pillars. Tail lamp cluster, which is same as that of previous generation, but the Duster etched rear bumper plate garnish is new. It is now black with silver lettering. Earlier it was all chrome. You can see the user has added tailpipe finisher. Unlike RXZ, which has silver colored pseudo scuff plate, this has got all black elements on the rear bumper. Being the RXS variant, you can see the close-up of the reverse camera. There is no rear wiper or washer on this RXS variant. You can see the flap type of door opener, which is an eyesore of course. You do get fabric inserts, satin finished door grab, but there is no chrome door opener in RXS. RXZ gets chrome door opener. You can see the power windows, piano black elements on the dashboard, fabric seats. No dead pedal. Renault has no car with dead pedal. I don't know why. It's high time Renault introduced dead pedal in their car. You can see the fabric type of seats. Please note there is no seat height adjustment in RXS. Oddly positioned touchscreen system, which is difficult to look at, especially to look for the reverse camera feed. You have to look really low. This is another design ergonomic issue. Second glove box, that's good to have. Piano black elements. You do get dual airbags. There's no lighting for glove box. No automatic climate control on this variant. You can see slightly restyled instrument cluster, monochrome multi-information display. In European market, the current generation Duster looks very different from this car. I hope Renault India will launch the same car in India soon. RXS has Eco mode, but there is no cruise control on this variant. You can see the tweeter position. This car comes with a new Media Now Evolution system with a better touchscreen system. That is the protruding speaker unit with a power window switches. The problem is that will constantly hit with your knee and it will cause irritation in long run. That is another ergonomic flaw. Here also you do get fabric insert on the door pad. Large seats. Middle row gets integrated headrest, others are all detachable headrest. You do get armrest with cup holders. Decent knee space, that is the bottle storage area. Once again the panoramic look. You can see normal type of interior lights, not LED. The benefit of Duster is its size, that is, it's a large car, decently sized with a large boot. I will show you the boots. Really flat boot space. Spare wheel is kept underneath, so the boot is really flat. You can see the spare wheel underneath. The car has enormous ground clearance of 210 mm. You can see the storage space for Jackie. That's the parcel tray. You can see a 12-volt power socket there. So this is the BS4 diesel variant, which the user got at amazing price of 10.4 lakhs on road. If you are interested, do contact your dealership because only limited number of cars are available. Renault is topping diesel engine. They are going for all new 1.3 litre petrol engine developed in collaboration with Daimler, which is said to be having a power of 130 PS, which will be great considering that best power output of current generation Renault Duster or Capture is only 110 PS. So the all new 130 PS petrol engine will be amazing to have. You can see the insulation on the underside of bonnet. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support my channel.